My friend suggests me to try out newly opened air lounge, which is in Bapujnagar, Bhubaneswar, that is Level Up by Marigold. Mm, my friends was really enjoy that setup. By the way, both indoor and outdoor interiors are so classy. I really love that setup. And it was family restaurant also. You can see my all-time first order, the soup. There's a no startup without soup. Then their workers suggest us to try chicken wings, which was little bit spicy. If you're not spicy lover, then try this pan-fried noodles with garlic sauce. Hope you enjoy and love the video. Then like, share and subscribe.